What is too hot or too cold for a cell phone? As with all electronic equipment, cell phones can be sensitive to extremes of temperature. Knowing how to protect your phone properly should give you reliable service for a long time to come. Dealing with overheating. Overheating will occur mostly during the hot summer months at places like the beach. Excessive heat can trigger a range of issues, including battery drain, forced shutdown, melting of the processor unit, inability to restart the phone. Here are some tips to help you keep your phone from overheating. 1. Keep out of direct sunlight. It will just get hotter and hotter. Keep it in the shade. 2. Turn off the unused apps on your phone. They eat up battery life. They also make your phone work harder, which can lead to overheating. 3. Keep your brightness low and buy a glare screen. It can be really hard to see your screen on a sunny day. However, boosting your brightness also makes your battery and phone work harder. Get a glare screen so you can use your phone easily throughout the summer. 4. Use airplane mode or turn it off. Airplane mode will allow you to use all the basic functions. Turning off the phone completely will protect against overheating and spare your battery. 5. Take off your case. If your phone is really hot, remove the case to disperse some of the heat. This will also open the vents so the phone can cool itself off. 6. Don't stuff it in a bag you leave in the sun. The warmth inside the bag will increase rapidly, resulting in overheating. 7. Fan your phone or blow on it. These are two simple ways to deal with a phone that has become too hot. 8. Watch out for sudden changes in temperature. If you have been to the beach and suddenly go into an area with really chilly air conditioning, this can be a shock to your phone. Never put your phone in the fridge or freezer, even for a few seconds. The temperature and moisture put it at a much higher risk of breaking. Dealing with cold weather. Some people live in an area with cold weather in winter. Others like to engage in outdoor winter sports. Here are a few ways to deal with the cold. 1. Go back inside. Most phones that shut down in the cold will restart easily once you go back indoors. 2. Cup your hands and blow on it. This can help warm it quickly if you really can't get to a sheltered area. 3. Turn the phone off. If you do this, it will not struggle or use up the battery too quickly. 4. Keep it close to your body. If you have an inner pocket that will not cause your phone to bend or crack, tuck it in there and keep your coat closed. 5. Take good care of your battery. It is the lithium in the battery that is most susceptible to freezing temperatures. It will stop discharging electricity if it is really cold, or the battery is low on power. But it should come back to life as soon as it is warm again. Apple recommends 32 to 95 F as the optimal temperatures for using your phone. They also claim their phones will function down to -4 F, but do turn off the phone in that extreme cold. Samsung's recommendations are similar. 6. Beware of leaving your phone in your car, such as on a dashboard mount. Cars can get cold very quickly and freeze up the phone. The same is true of extreme heat in the summer. Don't leave it behind. 7. Test the battery health of your phone. Various vendors offer this service. If it isn't at least 80% functional, replace the battery. 8. Watch out for shattered screens. They tend to break more easily in the cold. Use these tips to protect your phone in extreme temperatures. Tips for preventing viruses on your cell phone. A virus on a cell phone can eat your data and turn your expensive phone into a brick. Depending on whether your phone is running on Android or iOS, there are various ways you can protect your phone from viruses. Here are several suggestions. Use Norton 360 to protect all your devices. Buy a multiple device license and keep everything up to date. It isn't 100% perfect, but it does offer a great deal of protection compared to doing without. Don't download just any old app. It's great to get free apps that look like they will be really useful, but they could actually be backdoors into your phone and leave you open to viruses and malware. Android in particular is pretty susceptible to this problem, though Apple smartphones have their vulnerabilities as well, which Apple does not widely admit to. Apps eat up a lot of memory anyway, so be selective and you will also get more storage and longer battery life on your phone. Only install apps from Google Play or iTunes. This is the best way of ensuring a quality app. The Amazon App Store is also a good choice, and you can often find special deals. If you get an email or link offering you a free app, don't click. Uncheck Install from unknown sources. Every Android phone has access to Google Play Shops with a lock that keeps applications from outside Google's store from installing themselves. It will give you a warning if an app tries to install itself from outside Google Play, whether you initiated it or not. The only time you need to use the Install from Unknown Sources setting is if you are installing something from the Amazon App Store. Check the permissions. Apps need to list their permissions, that is, what they are able to access, on your phone. An app might access your camera, contact list, or keyboard for keystrokes. But if someone hacks the app, that leaves you open to malfunction, loss of data, or theft of personal information. Keep your apps to a minimum and be sure to check which ones access what parts of your phone. Antivirus apps. Some are legitimate, but there have been cases of fake ones being sold on Google Play. If you do think you need one in addition to your Norton 360 coverage, make sure you only choose an app from a reputable firm with an established name in the industry. Check out the features to make sure it is good value. Don't jailbreak your iPhone. A lot of people jailbreak their phone in order to customize it. This often means installing unapproved apps that have been rejected on iTunes. But if you want your iPhone to be as secure as possible, don't do this. The viruses out there specifically target these types of phones because they know they are a security risk. Encrypt your iPhone backups. If you sync your iPhone with your computer, the data from your phone will also be stored on your desktop or laptop, meaning it can be hacked or infected from there. Secure that data by encrypting your backups. Do this in iTunes when you sync up your iPhone or iPod Touch. Look on the main management page for the options section. Under the picture of your device, you'll see a checkbox called Encrypt iPhone Backup. Check that box and set a password for the backup. Make it one you will remember, because if you ever have to restore your data from the backup, you need to input the password.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a